Hey guys, Cam here, and Samsung is well known for releasing smartphones chock full of features. Just look at the Galaxy S9 with its never-ending list. With the latest stylus-equipped phone, the Galaxy Note 9, a lot of those features remain, but the one thing that makes it unique is this S Pen. So, if you want more general tips, be sure to check out our Galaxy S9 tips and tricks video. But for all the things you can do with the S Pen stylus, stay right here, there's plenty to get through. First up is launching Notes or any other app with the S Pen. Now there are plenty of new features that came to the Note 9, including a range of remote control features. You can launch specific apps by pressing and holding the button on the S Pen, and by default it launches the camera. But if you'd rather have it open an app more suited to being used with the S Pen, like Samsung Notes, head into Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, and then S Pen Remote. Tap on the Hold Down Pen Button 2 tab, and on the next screen you can toggle the option on or off, or choose from a list of apps. We found the Create Note function the most useful, but you can choose literally any app or function you like. You can even turn it into a Google Assistant button if you like by choosing the Assistant app. And if you do that, every time you press and hold the button, Google Assistant launches. Second is controlling the camera with your S Pen. Now by default, when you open the camera, a quick button press on the S Pen will take a photo, and a double press will switch between the front and the back cameras. It's handy, but these aren't the only options. Head back to the S Pen settings and go to S Pen Remote. Now scroll to App Actions. The top settings tab is dedicated to camera actions, and here you can change what a single or double press does in the camera app. You can change it to record video or just do nothing and save yourself from accidental selfies. Number 3 is scrolling in Chrome with the S Pen. Now in the same menu as above, you can also use that remote control to leaf through PowerPoint slides or gallery photos. But one option toggled off by default is controlling Google Chrome. Toggle the switch on and you can use the button to go back or forwards in the popular mobile browser, but just like the camera options, you can change the defaults and have it scroll up or down pages with a single or double press instead. Next is unlocking your phone using the S Pen. Now we don't mean using it to tap in your password, but by pressing the button on your S Pen. Head into Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, and then Unlock with S Pen Remote. Now this only works when the S Pen is out of the phone and connected, and it's designed to wake the display if it goes to sleep in the middle of something. So when your phone is locked, press the button and your phone will unlock. Now one of the coolest features that's been around for a couple of years now is writing notes on the lock screen. All you have to do is pop out the S Pen while the phone is still locked, and then start writing. Just press the button on the S Pen to delete your scribbles when you make a mistake, and tap Save to keep the note. It's called Screen Off Memo, and you can find it if you head into Settings, then Advanced Features and S Pen, and then turn on the feature. Now here you can also choose to have it write in the same color as your S Pen. So if you have the yellow stylus, it will make the font yellow. Next on our list is using live messages to send custom GIFs, or GIFs, however you want to pronounce it. You can write or draw replies to messages with the S Pen and send the result as a GIF. Simply pull out the S Pen when you've read a message and tap Live Message in Air Command. If the app supports GIFs, one will be created and sent as a reply. It works in WhatsApp and Messenger among many others. Now one of the other cool features is the ability to change what happens when you remove the S Pen from its silo. Head into Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, and then hit the When S Pen is Removed option. Here you have 3 action options. You can either have it launch Air Command, have it create a brand new note, or just do nothing at all. Now one feature that's really useful to know is the automatic scrolling. Now some apps will let you scroll up and down just by hovering the S Pen's tip at the bottom or the top of the screen until a small triangle appears. Move the pen away and it will stop scrolling. Next on our list is zooming in on a photo. In the gallery, open a photo you want to look at. Now you can double tap to zoom in or out of an image as you would with your finger, but if you press and hold the button while the tip is on the screen, you can zoom in and out by sliding the pen up and down the display. It's basically the same as pinching to zoom. One of the new features is having an alarm go off if you move too far away from your S Pen. So to make sure you don't lose your S Pen or leave it lying in a coffee shop, there's an option in the settings to alert you if you move a bit too far away. Head into Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen and then alarm and switch the option on. You can also translate on the fly with your S Pen. There's a translate option in the Air Command menu. When you see text you want to translate, remove the S Pen from its stylo and then select Translate from the Air Command menu. Then go to your mysterious language text and hover over what you want to translate. Now there's a little pop-up menu on the top of the screen and you can tap the control to change whether you want to have it translate just one single word or an entire paragraph. Now of course there are more tips you can try. You can see them all in our extensive written guide and there's a link in the description box. But for now, I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Follow me there and hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.